Hi, my name is Lauren Nohl, and my intended major is marketing. Hi, my name is Lauren Nohl. As that short little video clip said, today I'm going to be demonstrating choice number 5, which shows how to rotate a table of data using a macro. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on the decoder ring file. Part A is to demonstrate how to copy a table of data using a macro. So I'm going to go ahead and select cell C3 just to leave my cursor there. And then I'm going to go up to the View ribbon and select Record Macro. And I'm going to call this macro Copy Data and give it the shortcut L for my first name, Lauren. So that shortcut will be Control-Shift-L. I'm just going to press OK. And then I'm going to select cell C3, hold down my Shift key, and go to cell H9, which is going to select that entire box of data. And then I'm going to press Command-C to copy that box of data. And then I'm going to select cell C13, and then I'm going to press Shift and hold that until H19. And then I'm going to go to the Home ribbon and press that little arrow down on Paste, and I'm going to click Paste Values. And so then I'm just going to click out of there, and then I'm going to go back to the View ribbon and stop recording the macro. So that worked successfully, and you can just double click anywhere to get rid of the little lines around that first box. Part B is to create a macro that will shift the outer circle characters counterclockwise while shifting the inner circle characters clockwise. So the first part of the macro will be the outer characters moving counterclockwise. So I'm just going to leave my cursor in C12, and then I'm going to go to Record Macro. I'm going to call this macro Rotate Data, and I'm going to give it the shortcut N for my last name, Nohl. So it will be Control-Shift-N to run the macro. So then I'm going to press OK, and I'm going to get started in cell C12. I'm going to double click, select Insert, and then select Shift Cells Down. And then in cell C13, I'm going to double click again, select Delete, select Shift Cells Left. In cell H13, I'm going to double click, select Delete, select Shift Cells Up. In cell C19, I'm going to double click, select Insert, and then select Shift Cells Right. And then I'm going to get this little guy out in C20. I'm going to Command X for cut, and then go to D19 and Command V for paste. And so for the second part of the same macro is going to be to move those inner characters clockwise. So I'm going to start in cell D14, and I'm going to double click, select Insert, select Shift Cells Right. And then staying in D14, I'm going to double click again, select Delete, and Shift Cells Up. And then I'm going to select D18, and I'm going to Command X for cut and Command V for paste in D19, excuse me. In cell D18, I'm going to double click, delete, Shift Cells to the left, and then I'm going to select cell G18. I'm going to Command X for cut, go to H18, and Command V for paste. And I'm going to select cell G15, and I'm going to double click, select Insert, Shift Cells Down. I'm then going to select cell G19 and double click, select Delete, Shift Cells Up. And then I'm going to go to cell H14, and I'm going to Command X for cut, and then Command V for paste. And then I'm going to go to cell I14, Command X, and then Command V for paste. And so then I'm going to go and stop recording the macro, and then I'm just going to click out of there, and then to demonstrate the macro, I'm going to run that macro 3 times. So that will be Control-Shift-N, Control-Shift-N, Control-Shift-N. course, the macro rotates because I excel between the spreadsheets. So that was my lame attempt at humor, but I hope you enjoyed my macro demonstration, and thank you so much for watching.